Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to do something called bear push-ups. Now I'm going to be quiet so your minds can make up a story about how horrible it is if you heard the word push-up. Okay, so this is how you do a bear push-up. All you're going to do is, and here, the reason that we do it, I'm actually going to show you 2 body weight calisthenics. The reason why we do a bear push-up is because when you go to pick up your kids, you don't just pick them up this way or this way. You pick them up at all different angles. So I don't want you to be one of the teachers that ends up having some sort of tear or rip in your shoulder. So a bear push-up, and like I said, everything here is movement optional, and the videos are all on the YouTube channel. So a bear push-up, you have your hands out like this, not underneath you. Now, pop quiz, what do bears like to eat?
Honey.
Okay, whoever said honey's been brainwashed by Disney for a long time. Sorry, it's all good. Yeah, fish. So, when you do a bear push-up, what you do is you have your arms in front of you like this. You take a big belly breath in. There's a river in front of you. So what we do is we breathe in. Oh, by the way, let me hear a good bear noise. Breathe in and go. Nice. So what you do is you breathe in, and then when you breathe out, you're going to come down like this, as low or as unlow. That's a word, just go with it. As you can. She's already crying. And you're going to go like this, grab your fish, and then come up and go nom, 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 nom. Like that, all right? So let's try it. Ready? So everybody breathe in. You're going to dive bomb down, grab your fish in your mouth, and come up and go nom, 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 nom. Now, here's the thing. Before I have you do 3 more, it doesn't matter if you go all the way down like this, or if you bend your arms like this and your body goes. So even if you get, have you guys heard that word before? Yeah, like you don't have 3-year-olds dropping the F-bomb every time. Okay, good. So what you're going to do is you go like this. If all you do is you bend your arms, and then you're breathing, your arms are shaking, you're getting stronger. Does that make sense? So let's try 3 bear push-ups, whether you're going to go like this, whether you're holding, or whether you're going to go all the way down. Everybody breathe in, and you're going to go like this, and grab your fish, and go up, nom, 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 nom. One more time. Stick your booty in there like this, breathe in, and grab your fish, and go up, nom, 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 nom. Now one more, this one's going to be a big fish. We might have to start looking for a good 3 seconds. So breathe in, and you're going to come down, look for your fish, and grab it, and go nom, 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 nom. Nice job. All right, so what do you feel in your shoulders? A little pain, a little bit of movement. There's a difference between pain and discomfort. Pain is when you put your finger on a fire and the body goes, yeah, don't do that again. Discomfort is, you know, I'll do this for 10 seconds. If somebody gives me $100, I'll keep it like going. But I'm not going to give you $100, but I might save you $1,000 on shoulder surgery if you try this. Does that make sense? All right, cool.